Pennsylvania. Until 2:45.
National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Adams County in south central Pennsylvania.
To Little Stount at 7 miles northeast of Walkersville, moving east at 60 miles per hour. These are very dangerous storms. Hazard, 50 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
7 miles northeast of Walkersville, moving east at 50 miles per hour. These are very dangerous storms. Hazard, 80 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, extensive tree damage and power outages are likely.
Expected hazards include York, Lower Allen, Hanover, Michaelstown, Parkville, Red Lion, Spry, Dallastown, Hampton, Shiloh, East York, Stony Brook.
Locations impacted include York, Lower Allen, Hanover, Michaelstown, Parkville, Red Lion, Spry, Dallastown, Hampton, Shiloh, East York, Stony Brook, Wilshire, West York, Littlestown, Shrewsbury, Fedoris, Grantley, Valley Green, Tyler Run, and Queensgate and McCarriestown. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from
Wellspun Family Medicine and York Expo Center. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. for south central Pennsylvania. Remain alert for a possible
Wellspun Health, Wellspun Family Medicine, and York Expo Center. A tornado watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. for south central Pennsylvania. Remain alert for a possible tornado.
Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:45 p.m. for the following counties: Adams and York.
For your protection,